Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Thank you very much to be here today. Today we want to speak about our presentation is about the group work theory. And we are me, Lucas and Sylvester, we are doing this lovely presentation. I start to speak about waterfall methodology. Waterfall is a methodology, is a project management approach, and follow a linear process and follow distinct stage. The five stage, the different stage of waterfall are requirements, design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. We can say that waterfall is characterized by a linear progression, and means that each phase must be completed before moving on in the next one, and as a documentation is EV approach, and once is on the way is difficult to change, well, is characterized by a fixed requirement. The advantage of waterfall are is a clear deliverable and is easy to manage, and is best suited for interactive and interactive project. What the disadvantage of waterfall is inflexible. Well, like we said before, we can't change during the process any part of the methodology. And sometimes the issue are identified late. Well, also this is another disadvantage, and is not suitable for dynamic or interactive project. We can apply also waterfall in different industries like construction, software development, project like a bridge, manufacturing line, and the most important may be real use of waterfall in the real world is the construction of Burj Khalifa in Dubai. That they adopted this with this approach because it was a linear, and they needed this linear management approach. If we do a little comparison with other modern methodology like Agile, waterfall is more linear while Agile is interactive. Waterfall has a fixed requirement, while Agile can adapt more in the process, the methodology. And waterfall is for a project where is needed stability. While Agile is most popular, but when the team need to work with a linear approach, it's better to use waterfall. Now I pass the presentation to my colleague Lucas.
Okay, thank you very much. Hello everyone, today I want to talk about the Agile methodology. So the first is, what is the Agile? Agile is a flexible way of managing projects. It's mainly focused on delivering value step by step and adapting with the changes. So the core values of Agile, at the heart of the Agile are four key values that guide how we work. The first, people and interactions. Second, working solutions. Third are collaboration with the customers and responding to changes. Later we have the principles of Agile. Agile is driven by a few simple yet powerful principles. Deliver results frequently. Embrace change if it benefits the customer. Build projects among motivated and engaged people. And reflect the improve with every interaction. The popular Agile frameworks. There are Scrum, focused on spirits and clean team roles. Kanban, visuals workflow so we can see the progress at every step. XP or extreme programming, emphasizes code quality and the testing. And the Lean helps minimize waste and focus on what truly matters. The benefits of Agile. Why should you choose Agile? Because it enables faster results, easier adaptation to change, fosters collaboration and continuous improvement. The challenges in Agile. Of course, Agile is not without the challenges. It requires a cultural shift and a full team commitment. Scaling in a large organization can be tricky, and measuring progress is not always straightforward. But with the right people, these challenges can be overcome. Agile in action. Agile is more than just methodology, it's a mindset to help us deliver faster value, build strong customer relationships, and improve continuously with every interaction. Thank you for your attention. I hope Agile inspires you as much as it inspires me. Now I want to pass the presentation to my friend.
Alright, hello guys. Thank you for your part of the presentation. I will talk more about the Agile framework. So, what is Scrum? As I said before, it's an Agile framework. It has three parts: role with owner, team, and Scrum Master. It has artifacts like backlog and Scrum increment, and ceremonies like daily stand-ups and retrospective. The key features of Scrum are it has iterative approach, not linear like in the waterfall. It has daily stand-ups like team check-ins on a regular daily basis, sprint reviews like gathering customer feedback on ongoing project, and retrospective reflection of the process itself. The pros of Scrum it's flexible, so it can easily be changed. It is transparent with those daily stand-ups. It has customer involvement because customer feedback is the most important thing in the process. It has problem identification which helps improve productivity and continuous improvement. The Scrum works like a living organism. The cons of Scrum are it's time dependent within all those cycles, time consuming with all those ceremonies like daily stand-ups, role clarity needed, that's why we need the Scrum Master, and not ideal for fixed scope because it's constantly changing within those customer feedbacks. The real life example are Amazon and Spotify. These apps are constantly changing, living organisms, and in my opinion, they will change till the end of them. So, when to use Scrum? We can use Scrum especially in dynamic environments. We have when we have experienced collaborative team and ongoing living projects. When we don't use Scrum, when requirements are fixed, like in the waterfall model, team is lacking experience, and stakeholders prefer linear processes. The conclusion of all of these methodologies choosing the right methodology is a big part of project success. And when choosing methodology, choose one that fits your needs. And these are our references that we use in that presentation. And from me and my colleagues, we want to say thank you and ask if you have any questions. No questions, thank you.